Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 13 with SolidWorks Surface Design Workbench. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double-click on the part template. Now, initially, we'll start the sketch, and we'll do it at the front plane. So here, what we can do is we can create this portion first. That will be to create circle, two concentric circles, and a line. Alright. Now you can use a trim command in order to trim this portion off, and now you can use smart dimension and dimension this by 100 and give 40 here and give 10 over here. And the overall height from the center of the circle to this bottom is 40. And radius of the circle here is 20, so that's not required. And here we have to give the diameter as 20, so diameter 20. Alright. Now let's move the center of the circle towards the origin, or maybe take this point here and this origin and use a vertical constraint there. Okay, you can see that it's fully constrained. Now exit the sketch. You can go for surfaces and go for extrude. So extrude it with this much length, that is 50. So I'll just give 50 here. Alright. Now we have given 50 on this direction, right? Now we have to create another portion over here. So to do that, what we would do is again go for sketch, click on the sketch, and this time we'll again go for the front plane. And in the front plane we'll just create point, a line here. Select this line here and go for convert entities, and then use this line as for construction. Okay, now use this line and this circle and go for a tangency constraint and use a trim command and trim this portion off. Right. Now what we would do next will be just exit the sketch. I can go for surfaces, extrude surface, and you can extrude it with the length of 10. Alright. Now what we can do is we'll just go for features and go for a plane and create a plane at an offset of 10 from this point. So as it's 10 over here, click on tick mark. Now select that plane there and go for sketch, and this time just select these entities and go for convert entities, and you can go for trim entities and trim this portion off. Click on tick mark. Now you can exit sketch. What we can do is just use the fill command, surfaces, fill surface. Now you can click on tick mark once again, and that's filled there. And what you can do again is go for sketch, click on the sketch, and here you can again go for the front plane, and what you can do is just select these portions, and you can go for convert entities, click on tick mark, and now you can use the surfaces and go for fill surface command and fill this portion off. Now it looks like it's almost complete, but there's something else that you need to do. Okay, so in this case, what preferably we can do is edit the sketch, and these lines can be hidden here. You can use it for construction, and you can just bring out these lines here. You can use convert entities and bring those lines, and let this also be for construction, right? You can just select this and go for convert entities, and let this be solid lines. Okay, exit sketch now. Oops, it's creating a problem there. So what we can do is put the Control Z. Okay, so Control Z. Yeah. Let's just delete this. Yes. And what you can do is just delete this also. And you can go for sketch, click on the sketch, and go for front plane. And this time you can select this line, this line, this guy, and this guy. Go for convert entities. You can use this and go for trim entities. Click on tick mark. Exit sketch. Now you can just go ahead and go for surfaces and go for fill surface. Just fill this off. Okay, now that's done, right? Now again select this surface as a tool and use a trim surface. Select this portion, click on tick mark. Now that portion is off, right? Now what you can do next is again just go for fill surface and just select all of the surfaces. Alright, tick mark. Now that portion is also filled. Again, you can select the surface that was inside, hide. You can just select this as a tool, and you can unhide the previous. Oops, okay. Let me just maybe this one, right? Yeah, this is the one. Just go for trim surface and select. Oops, no. This is a surface. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just select this surface here and go for hide. Fill 3, right? Fill 3. Select this as a tool and just select this. And now you can bring back trim 3. Press trim 3. Yeah, it's here. Okay, now one thing that we have to notice here is we still need to remove a couple of more surfaces. So if you see it here, if I just try to hide this fill 3, you can see that this portion need to be still removed, right? So let's just consider this as a tool. Use a trim surface and oops, it doesn't work like that. Insert. What we will do is select this and this surfaces and go for tools, surface, use a knit command, the contact mark. Now we'll select this surface, use a trim command, yes, click on that surface there, click on tick mark. Now that portion has been removed. So what I've done is I've used a knit command to join these two surfaces. So this command was something that was similar to join or join in CATIA. So I've done this. Now that portion is clean there, and finally you can bring back the surface that was hidden. I've just hidden that, and now this model is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at katia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.